Hi, welcome back. Um, in the previous class, we have seen the multiplication of numbers such as 64 and 66, right? Say, for example, whenever the units digits is, the right side digits is adding up to 10, a multiple of a power of 10, then obviously we do it as 42 and 24, 6 into 4 and 6 into 7. Okay, extending this same thing now, in this class, we will see two different tricks. One of the tricks is just an extension of the previous one, which is, say, whenever we have squares ending in 5s, 35 and 35. 5 plus 5 is a power of 10. It's equal to 10, so it's a power of 10. So 5 into 5 is 25, and 3 into 4, 12, 25. So 12, 25 is the answer. So let's try one more problem. Say 65 into 65. So again, 5 into 5 is 25, and 6 into 7 is 42. 6 into 7 is 42. Oh, this gives rise to 42. Okay. We can try one more problem. Say, let's say 95 into 95. 5 is 25, and 9 into 10, 90. So 90, 25 is the answer. Very similar, almost an extension of the technique that we have seen in the previous class. So we can do this for any numbers ending in squares of numbers ending in 5s. Let me just erase this, and we can start with the next technique. Okay, let's start with the next technique, which is a multiplication of any number with nines. Say, for example, 44 into 99. So typically the way we mentally do this is 44 into 100, which is 4400 minus 44. So which is going to be 4356. Okay, this is also fairly fast. I won't say only Vedic mathematics technique is very fast, but the Vedic mathematics technique for this would be, whenever we have something like this, reduce 1 on the 44 number, so we make it 43, and reduce 99, and your RHS will be 99 minus 43, so that will be 56. So therefore the answer is 4356. So let's try one more problem. Say 56 into 99. So your RHS will be 55, and your LHS will be 55, and your RHS will be 99 minus 55. So that's 5544 is the answer. 56 into 99 is 5544. These are quite useful techniques, and even the traditional method is also quite fast. It's like multiplying mentally into 100 and minus the number itself. Say, for example, let's do one more problem. Say 73 into 99. So LHS will be 72 and RHS will be 99 minus 72. So that is 27. So 7227 is your answer. Yes, you can also do this quickly by saying that 73 into 100 minus 73, 7300 minus 73, so that will be 7227. Both the methods are fairly quick, so nothing to worry. Whatever you're comfortable with, whatever you practice, mostly what happens is, whatever you practice the most is what you'll end up becoming comfortable with. So therefore, it's like a chicken and egg. So whatever you practice, you become comfortable, and you can use that particular technique. Yeah, in the next class we'll see some other techniques. Thank you.